Howdy. Good morning. I'll be checking the front and back wheel for brakes, but I would only show one side. When I take out the other side, if I find a problem, I will let you all know. I have propped the wheels on either side, have the jack and a jack stand. This is the jack stand. I would also be checking on the handbrakes. I've released the handbrakes and put the vehicle in neutral. I prop this back wheel also. Now to check, if you checking your handbrakes alone, there's a hole. Let me see if I could get it. There's a hole right here. There's supposed to be a grommet at the back. I don't think I'm in position for it, but there's a hole in which you would put a screwdriver or a tool, or if you check in the handbrakes, you would take out this. Right now it's seized on, so you would take a hammer and tap it. It's released. Now if you do tap it and it's still hard, these two holes here, you put in a bolt in it and you tighten and it coming out. Let me see if I could put the camera down and continue recording. Okay, I've got it, and I'll try to stay out of the view of the camera. This is it. To adjust the handbrakes, you have to get either a screwdriver, a flat-end screwdriver, or one of these tools. I'm gonna give it a few turns here. Try to put the drum back to see how tight it is. You will continue doing this.
until you get the feel of it. When you feel you're satisfied.
I find it's easier adjusting the handbrakes from the back. Yeah, this is it, and then you would put the tire back on. Now on the other side, I will not take out the wheel, but I'll show you all where you can adjust the handbrakes. I am beneath the vehicle. I said I wouldn't show this side, but this is another way of adjusting your handbrakes. Here there is a grommet which I took out already. As a matter of fact, I started the process thinking the camera was recording and it wasn't. So you're taking out this grommet from there and you're taking your tool and you're putting it inside here and you turning it. It's like a ratchet. Let me keep quiet so you could hear that. You hear the tick and you would keep on adjusting until you think or you feel it's okay. Then you would go inside and check your handbrakes to see if there would be a difference. When you complete the process, you would put the grommet back. Like this. This is it for the back differential adjust. I will check the front and see what I find. But before I do, I'm going to check. I've taken out the front wheel to check the brakes. I've got it propped up and also the back. The brake seems to be okay. But what I notice is the upper and lower ball joints are dried. They have no grease nipple and the rubber is all smooshed up. The stabilizer link, I don't know if I can get it. Yeah, if you notice, it's all burst up. but the brakes is okay. So I will be taking out the other side, but I won't be making a video on that. I won't boil. To get to this, I guess, since you all are drivers, you all would know how to take out your tires and prop up. Just make sure it's propped up, okay? The back wheel is chucked and you're good to go. This is it for this video. If you learned something from it, please like, comment, subscribe, click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of further videos. This is a L200 Triton Mitsubishi 2007.